pretty little skinny little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never had.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back in the bathroom and yeah, our hair looks a mess. So we are doing our hair today and this is actually a wig video. Aha! I know I haven't done one of those in a long time. I can't even tell you how long. A year maybe, but a long time. So I'm putting on a wig today and I'm trying some new things that I've seen on YouTube. So yeah, bear with me because this is the first time I'm doing this. But yeah, everything I'm doing is pretty much self-explanatory and you can kind of see what I'm doing, but I'm slicking my hair back in a low ponytail and I just put a little bit of edge control on my edges and I'm gonna go in with a knee high. Instead of a stocking cap, I saw Ivy and Malibu do this and we're trying it out. We're doing new things. We're evolving. And listen, this was hard. This was a struggle. This was different. Okay, so first of all, this was painful. Um, yeah, y'all be careful when you're doing this because the the stocking was so tight and my scissors are really sharp. Like, be careful because you could legit cut yourself or cut your eye, poke your eye. So I had to cut up, or else I wouldn't have been able to freaking function. I'd have fell out. So all I'm doing here is cutting holes for my ears so I could pull my ear out so the cap will still lay flat while I got to be freeze spray the cap to my head. Okay, so now I'm just taking the Gots to be freeze spray and I'm spraying my edges in the cap. Yeah. The faces I'm making. Like it was getting in my eye. But anywho, so we're just gonna blow dry this till it's dry. I didn't blow dry mine long enough. I don't think it was still a little wet in some places. I think that's why it started lifting and you'll see. But yeah, we're just going in with this eyebrow razor to cut the excess cap off and you guys be careful because I legit almost cut my eyebrow off, cut my freaking edges off. Just go slow. Okay, so once we're done with that, we're gonna go back in with the freeze spray to kind of like relay down the cap because once you cut it, like the ends start to curl up. So that's all. And this is when my cap started to like move off my edges and I thought I messed up, but it actually worked out for me. Finally, the wig. So this is the wig that I'm putting on. This is a wig from RPG Show. It is the Anthony Cuts wig in this really pretty wine red color. You guys know I've been like fiending for color, so I figured let's just put on a colored wig. And as you can see, because my hairline is super low, like I kind of need to push back some of the cap because it's showing. So there's that. But anywho, I'm already like shook. Like I really am impressed with how it's looking so far. Like I like what have I been doing previously? Like I couldn't even believe I was just wearing my wigs the way I was wearing it when I could have been wearing it this way. But you live and you learn, and you learn new things. So what I'm actually going to do now is just cut the excess cap off because it hangs past my ear and it's really uncomfortable, and that's something I used to be afraid of, like cutting the wig because I didn't want to mess it up. But you guys, you have to customize the wig for you, and this is like a game changer already. Like the wig is super duper comfortable now. Okay, so this is me just finger picking the stocking cap, just trying to push it back a little bit so it doesn't show through the wig when I push the hair behind my ear. And then I'm just lightly dusting some of my powdered foundation in the middle of the stocking cap where I plan on wearing my part. I honestly think you could skip this step. I didn't notice a difference. And now I'm just cutting the back lace off of the wig. I also styled the wig off camera. The only thing I did was use my deep waver and just add some deep waves to the wig. Okay, and now it's time to cut the lace off the front of the wig. You guys, this lace is looking really good. This is tinted transparent Swiss lace, and it literally blends right in. But again, be careful because I accidentally cut a little more than I wanted to. But, you know, it's okay. You can't even tell. Okay, and once you get your wig placed how you want it to be placed, you can go ahead and tack it down however you choose. I just use some free spray. This is the star of the show. But next time I probably wouldn't spray it on top of the hair. I don't even know why I did that. I would spray it on the cap and then put it over my head. But I know for next time, because I had to comb all this spray out my hair, which honestly it wasn't a big deal. It's still, you know, it was fine. But this was the moment when I realized, like, why did you spray the spray in your hair? Because when you're blow drying it, it kind of gets all sticky before it gets dry. I was just like, why'd you do that? And now I'm just going back and tucking my ponytail. I know you guys are probably like, what are you going to do with the hair in the back? I just tucked it under the cap. And I'm just going in with some of this ORS foam to kind of get rid of these flyaways that I got from crimping my hair. But hairspray, whatever you choose, will get rid of the flyaways on top. And then another game changer is definitely the hot comb. This, as you can see, made a huge difference. Like, it took away some of that fluff at the top because we don't want the fluff. And I'm listen, this is probably, well, no, this is the best wig install I've done on myself ever. But yeah, the hot comb is a must. I got it from Amazon. I'll be sure to link it in the description box for you guys. I really, really, really like it. It goes up to 450, I believe. So yeah, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the color and a color I should try next that's not on my real hair yet. And yeah, I'll be sure to list everything I use in the description box for you guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.